Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. So today I am actually going to share one of my favorite sunglasses ever. And these are the Persol sunglasses. Now I got them with the black and the green lens, and it comes with a very nice cloth. So you can make sure that your lens are nice and clean. And also the case is really pretty as well. It's got a little magnetic close to it. But check out these glasses. These glasses are freaking fantastic. I get plenty of compliments every time I wear these. They're absolutely beautiful. It's got the typical Persol signs on the side, and they look great. So every time you wear them, you actually feel like you're wearing quality sunglasses that are made in Italy. And I absolutely love them. When I take them outside, when I'm walking around the park, I feel great. They are great sunglasses. I absolutely enjoy wearing these. Get a lot of compliments on these, a lot. So if you purchase these, get ready for that, because people will be asking to see your sunglasses. Absolutely love them, and that's my point of view.